Eating healthy food is like giving your body a secret boost of energy. It's like charging up your batteries for a day full of adventures. Just like a car needs fuel, your body needs healthy food to run smoothly. Are you ready to discover the superfoods that will make you unstoppable? Hey there, adventurers! Have you ever dreamt of being a superhero? Superheroes need super fuel to power their amazing abilities. Guess what? So do you. Imagine biting into a juicy red strawberry, bursting with sweetness. The flavor explodes in your mouth and the juice drips down your chin, making you smile with delight. It's like tasting a piece of summer, or crunching on a bright orange carrot, full of crunchy goodness. Each bite is a satisfying crunch that echoes in your ears, reminding you of the earthiness and freshness of nature's bounty. How about a vibrant green spinach leaf, packed with power? It's like holding a piece of nature's energy in your hand, ready to fuel your body with strength and vitality. That's the magic of eating the rainbow. Each color represents a different set of nutrients and benefits, creating a symphony of flavors and health in every bite. Each color of fruit and vegetable is like a different superpower waiting to be unlocked. Red for energy, orange for vision, yellow for immunity, green for strength, and purple for brain power. Red foods like strawberries and tomatoes give you energy for running and playing. They are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that keep you active and full of life. Orange and yellow foods like carrots and bananas help your eyes sparkle and see clearly. They are rich in vitamins that support your vision and keep your eyes healthy and bright. Green foods like broccoli and spinach make your muscles strong for climbing and jumping. They are loaded with nutrients that build your muscles and keep you strong and agile. So next time you eat, try to find all the colors of the rainbow on your plate. Each color adds a unique benefit to your health, making your meal not just delicious, but also a powerful boost to your body. Embrace the adventure of tasting the rainbow and discover the wonders of nature's palette. We all know that water is essential for life, but did you know that it's also a magic potion for our bodies? Water is not just a thirst quencher, it's a vital component that keeps us alive and thriving. Just like plants need water to grow, our bodies need water to stay healthy and strong. Without it, we wouldn't be able to function properly. Water helps us stay hydrated, which means it keeps our bodies working properly. Hydration is crucial for maintaining the balance of bodily fluids, which affects everything from digestion to circulation. It's like the oil that keeps a machine running smoothly. Without enough water, our bodies can overheat, our joints can become stiff, and our organs can struggle to function. When we drink enough water, we can think more clearly, play longer, and perform better in all our activities. Staying hydrated helps improve our concentration and keeps our energy levels up, and have more energy throughout the day. Water is like a natural energy drink that keeps us going strong. So remember to keep a water bottle handy and take sips of water throughout the day. It's a simple habit that can make a big difference in how you feel and perform. Encourage your friends and family to stay hydrated too. Together, we can all enjoy the benefits of this amazing life-sustaining resource. Imagine swinging from tree to tree like a monkey, sprinting through the grass like a cheetah, or swimming through the ocean like a dolphin. Animals are constantly on the move, and so should we be. Exercise doesn't have to be boring. It can be as fun as playing your favorite games. Running around outside, playing tag with friends, or dancing to your favorite music are all great ways to get your body moving. Aim for at least an hour of physical activity every day. Your body will thank you for it.
Have you ever looked at your hands under a microscope? It's fascinating and a bit shocking. You'd be amazed by the tiny creatures called germs that live there. These microscopic organisms are invisible to the naked eye, but are always present on our skin. While most germs are harmless and even beneficial, some can make us sick. These harmful germs can cause infections and illnesses if they enter our bodies. That's why it's super important to keep our hands clean. Clean hands are our first line of defense against these harmful germs.
Washing our hands with soap and water is like creating a shield that protects us from those pesky germs. The soap helps to break down the oils on our skin that can trap dirt and germs. Make sure to scrub your hands thoroughly, especially before eating, after using the bathroom, and after playing outside. Scrubbing for at least 20 seconds ensures that most of the germs are washed away. If soap and water aren't available, using hand sanitizer is a good alternative. Just make sure it contains at least 60% alcohol to be effective. And don't forget to brush your teeth twice a day to keep those pearly whites sparkling clean. Good oral hygiene is also crucial for overall health. Developing these healthy habits, like washing hands and brushing teeth, helps us stay healthy and prevents the spread of germs to others. So let's make cleanliness a part of our daily routine.
Recharge your batteries. Just like our phones need to be charged every night, our bodies need sleep to recharge and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. When we sleep, our bodies and minds can rest and recover from the day's adventures.
Aim for at least 9 to 11 hours of sleep each night. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool, and avoid screen time before bed. A good night's sleep will help you wake up feeling ready to tackle the day ahead. Healthy habits for a super you. Congratulations, adventurers! You've learned the secrets to living a healthier and happier life. Remember, it's all about making small changes every day that add up to big results.
By eating a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, staying hydrated, moving your body, keeping clean, and getting enough sleep, you're giving yourself the best possible chance to live a long, healthy, and adventurous life.
Be a healthy habit hero. Now that you know the secrets to a healthy lifestyle, it's time to share them with the world. Be a healthy habit hero and inspire your friends and family to join you on this exciting journey.
Remember, every small step counts. So put on your superhero cape, grab your healthy snacks, and let's go make the world a healthier and happier place, one adventure at a time.